my crafty friends, my name is Banky from HappyBankyCraftymom, and today I'm gonna show you how I make this cute little ironing board. It's so easy to make and it's super useful. For this project, you will need some wood plank or any type of wood that big enough for your ironing board will be fine, and I also use some cotton fabric and also the cotton batting. I got mine from Joanne. You can get them from any craft store. The first step, I lay out the 2 layers of the batting, and then I'm gonna glue the batting onto the wood piece. Just slightly pulling the batting here, not too tight. And then I'm gonna just trim the corner here because I think it's too thick, but you don't have to trim it out if you don't want to. Just leave it the way it is. That works too. And after that, I'm just gonna glue the side of the batting here, and remember not to pull the batting too tight. And last, I'm gonna give them a little trim here again on the corner, and the board part is done. And next, I will be making the little ironing board cover. So the idea here is we kind of make it look like a little pillowcase. For the opening, I'm using the pinking shear scissors, but you also can hem the edges instead. For the fabric here, I just measuring them a little bit bigger than the board. For the opening side, I give the little extra fabric is about 3 inches longer, and also give some room around the board for seam allowance. The way I doing it, I kind of just press my finger there, and then I just use the marker right where the corner of the board is. That will be the seam allowance. From the seam allowance mark that I made earlier, so now I'm gonna just do the straight line, and then I'm gonna go to my sewing machine and sew on the long edge there, and then one side, and don't forget to leave one side open. And next, I'm gonna trim the seam allowance and then clip the corner. And I'm gonna turn the inside out and let's see how the cover look on the ironing board. And one last thing to do here is just tuck the opening inside on the bottom of the ironing board. And it's done. This video is like the first time that I ever talk in any of my video, and it's such an awkward feeling. It's just like it's not easy to just speak. I don't know why, but at least I try. I keep telling myself that okay, keep trying and I will get better. It's always the first time for everything, right? And I know right now I still feel awkward, but I know I will get better. Alright, that's it for me guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time, and don't forget to do more of what make you happy. Bye.